all want something different from this life we're living, but this common ground we're standing on is worth the giving. Freedom, hope, and peace of mind, these threads that bind us, a promise made so long ago, still here to guide us.
We started with a promise putting on the page, a vision for the people set on the stage. We hold these truths to be self-evident. That's the creed that Paul's our president.
With malice toward none, with charity for all. That's the echo that breaks down the wall. Firm in our rights, but humble in tone. We finished the work, we're not alone.
Time and consent, a shared responsibility. We are the dreamers, the builders, the faithful. Not perfect, no, but striving to be free. Common consent, tomorrow depends on we.
Common consent,
tomorrow we.
And so my fellow Americans, that's not what your country can do for you. It's the service we give, it's the work we pursue. The future depends on me and you. We are the dreamers, the builders, the faithful, the ones who rise when called to save.
Not perfect, but striving, not finished, but free. The promise of tomorrow depends on we.
From every creed, from every shore, we pledge to preserve what came before. Let us go forth to defend these truths we cherish. That government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish. God will help those who help themselves. And by the grace of God, may we show mercy to those not able.
Everyone values something slightly different, but some things we share in common.
Life and liberty, hope and peace, a shared responsibility that we'll never cease.
Common consent, a shared responsibility. We are the dreamers, the builders, the faithful. Not perfect, no, but striving, not finished, but free. Common consent.
This dream depends on we. A shared responsibility depends on we.